What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, well, it's not Thursday, but we're going to do Tuesday. For Tiki Tuesday, we're going to be making something called Arrack Punch. So Arrack Punch is from this book, The Hoffman House Bartender's Guide by Charles Mahoney. This is a book from 1912. Obviously, this physical book isn't from 1912. It's just a reprint, but it houses very classic cocktails, pre-prohibition cocktails, which I'm a big fan of, as well as tiki and any other craft cocktails. This predates Don the Beachcomber and Trader Vic, but it utilizes a lot of the flavors of tiki. So Arrack, which is one of the spirits we're using for this drink, is actually it's Batavia Arrack, to be more specific. It is an Indonesian spirit that is fermented from sugarcane and red rice, Java red rice to be exact. And on the bottle it says 98% sugarcane and 2% Java red rice. It's quite of a funky spirit. It reminds me of rum, but much more smoky than a lot of other rums, but it is pretty feisty spirit. So let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do half an ounce of simple syrup. There we go. And I am modifying the original recipe a little bit just for, making it easier as well as modern tastes. It says to dissolve 1 tablespoonful of white sugar in a little water. Not really specific. And then we are gonna do half an ounce of pineapple juice. Just using Dole's pineapple juice. It's not fresh pineapple juice, but it works. So we're gonna do half an ounce of fresh pineapple juice. Not fresh, but I'm so used to saying fresh. This says to use 2 pieces of pineapple. Again, we're changing it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. And this says to use half of a lemon, but again, lemons can be all different, so we're just gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Oh man, my allergies. And then the spirits, we're gonna do 1 ounce of Batavia Arrack. I'm using Batavia Arrack Van Oosten. Really great stuff if you can even find it. It's kind of hard to come across, but if you can find it, definitely buy it. It's a really unique liquor to add to your collection. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of Jamaican rum. I'm using Hamilton Jamaican Gold. Running out of this. One of my favorite Jamaican rums. Oh, and regarding these, it says to use 1 pony glass of Batavia Arrack and then 1 wine glass of Jamaican rum. Again, changing it up a little to adapt it to today. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add ice to our tin. We're gonna combine our tins. Shake. Okay, now that we got it nice and cold and a little diluted, we are going to strain. Well, first we're gonna get our Collins glass and we're just gonna fill it with some crushed ice. We're spilling everywhere. Okay, about 3/4 full. And then we are going to not strain, but we're gonna pour. And then if we need to strain like right now, we're gonna strain. Add a little bit more ice to top it off. Perfect. Now, we're gonna serve garnishless. Just stick our biodegradable straw in there. And there we have it, Arrack Punch from 1912. Let's give it a sip. It's really good. Just moving these ice chunks. So the lemon and the pineapple go really well together with the, the funkiness of the Jamaican rum, as well as there's that hint of smokiness from the Batavia Arrack. Really refreshing, especially for those hot, summer's almost here. No, summer's almost not here. Southern California, it is like 90 degrees. Really hot, so perfect drink for those hot, warm days. Really refreshing despite the high amount of alcohol. It is pretty good stuff. So thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. See you in the next one.